Here's a new 2026 Kia Sportage. This crossover was made to show off. Not only will you enjoy its agile handling, remarkably smooth ride, and exceptional acceleration, but the bold lines and striking features make a statement too. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated and ventilated bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, front and rear camera parking sensors, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, streaming audio, hands-free liftgate, doors and push-button start proximity key, and automatic transmission. Kia, dependable today and way, way down the road. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.